Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit 50th Anniversary. Text, Next Stop News October 2023. Video of buses and light rail trains. Text, Ride SacRT for free to celebrate Clean Air Day on October 4, 2023. Take the Clean Air Pledge at SacRT.com/cleanairday. Video of station platform construction. Text, Station platform modifications continues. Shuttle buses in place during construction. Video of SacRT GO shuttles. Text, SacRT GO Open House on October 14, 2023. Learn more at SacRTGO.com. Video of students riding light rail train. Text, Calling all students. RydeFreeRT video contest. Get details at SacRT.com/studentvideo. Video of SacRTRX on light rail train and station. Text, Watch for SacRTRX this Halloween. Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit 50th Anniversary. Text, check out the October edition of Next Stop News at SacRT.com/NSN.